Hi everyone, I am Prashansa Ranjan and welcome back to our Virtualization with VMware series. This is the third video in the series. In the previous sessions, we covered how to create a deployment for a Ceph-as-a-Service instance and how to create a data store for that deployment. Today, we'll explore how the plugin makes it easy to take a snapshot of a data store and create a new data store from that snapshot, all in just a few clicks. So let's get started. On the data store, go to the Configure tab and select Data Store Snapshots under the IBM Storage Ceph-as-a-Service menu. Here you will see a list of all the existing snapshots for this data store. To take a new snapshot, click on Take a Snapshot, give your snapshot a meaningful name, then click Take a Snapshot button to begin the process. Once it's ready, the newly created snapshot will appear in the list. You can rename or edit it anytime using the Edit or Delete buttons. Now let's create a new data store from this snapshot. Click on the Clone button after selecting the snapshot you want to use. On the Select Hosts page, you'll notice the host selections are automatically filled based on the source data store. You can modify them as needed. Once done, click Next. Here on the Select Host Adapters page, the adapters are pre-selected according to the source data store, but again, you can make changes if required. Click Next to continue. Now on the Define Data Store page, enter a clear and descriptive name for your new data store. You can also increase its size if needed, then click Next to move to the final step. This is the review page where you can double check the details of your source data store, the snapshot, and your new data store configurations. If everything looks good, click Create to start the process. Let's close this model and track the progress under Recent Tasks. And there it is. Your new data store is now listed under the Data Stores tab. You can view all its details within the IBM Storage Ceph-as-a-Service card. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's walkthrough. To learn more, check out the related videos in this series or visit our documentation page.